Okay, so they no longer have a little pamphlet, but they do provide one of those doohickey mabobs. Technology and me. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what is in the July test tube, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so test tube. You're early this month. I am filming this on July the 10th. For me, that's quite early to receive a July box. This is the first box I've received this month. Last month's box, not gonna lie, it scared me. It was the worst box ever. If you're curious, check it out in the eye above. So this box has nowhere to go but up, right? For anyone not familiar with what Testtube is, it is a $29.95 every other month beauty subscription. It's from New Beauty. They have a magazine and do a lot of product reviews. They have some great skincare products. They do have some makeup, but primarily skincare. And it used to be one of my favorite boxes, but the last couple have been a little wonky. So let's hope this is a really good box. So here's the actual test tube. The reason it comes in such a large box is oftentimes there are products that don't fit in that test tube. So I'm going to grab all of the ones outside. Got some big ones. And then I'll start talking about the products. Okay, so they no longer have a little pamphlet, but they do provide one of those doohickey mabobs. Technology and me. All right, let's dive in and see what the first item is. Okay, so we have from Hairmax A Towel. It's a quick dry hair towel that retails for $19. Apologies for the crinkly noise. Oh my god, this is so soft. It's that same material that like throw blankets are made of. And this is quite large for a hair towel. It's narrow and long. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna get too hot filming. So that's a new, different, and exciting product. Okay, next item. What is this? We have from Virtue Restorative Treatment Mask. Was this also for the hair? Yes, this is a hair mask, and it retails for $30. Ooh, she's pricey. All right, and we also get a coupon for 20% off products from Virtue. I am not familiar with this brand. That should not shock any of you because I got short hair and I'm really not into the hair care. All right, next item. Oh my god, I don't know what it is, but I saw the brand. This is from Tatcha. I have never tried any products from Tatcha. They are so expensive and a little bougie. And what is this? All right, this is Kyoto Red Silk Lipstick. What? The box is huge. I was hoping because Tatcha's known for her primer or moisturizer lotion or powder. Lipstick. This is a bougie lipstick if the box is this big. Okay. Wow. There's a piece of paper describing what is this piece of paper in a lipstick. It's fancy. It's like the kind you do calligraphy on. Dear friend, for centuries, no shade of red has rivaled the geisha's iconic vermilion lip. Based on one of the most traditional symbolic hues in Kyoto, the color is intrinsically elegant and utterly unforgettable. Oh my god, that is some fancy. Oh my god, I feel like I need a sound effect. Oh, look at that. And what's sad is I don't wear red lipstick, so this super bougie. Oh my god, this weighs a ton. This is like metal. I'm gonna die if this has one of those magnetic closures. Okay, it doesn't. But it does have a fancy, I don't know what that is. All right, let's look at the color I will never wear in a million years. Okay. Well, it's kind of small. But she's bougie and will be set aside for a future giveaway. How do you close it? All right. Put her back. Boujee packaging. How much does this retail for? Oh my god. Get ready. $55. That's freaking expensive. I think $25 is expensive for a lipstick. $55? Okay. Why couldn't it be a color I can wear? All right. Well, that was exciting. Those are 3 great products outside the tube. Let's see what is offered inside the tube. She's quite filled up. Okay, so we have a product here from Scaraway. It's clear silicone scar sheets. Interesting. Technology used by hospitals, plastic surgeons, and burn centers. Prevents and treats scars. Huh. All right, well, luckily I don't have any open wounds that could be scarring at the moment. But I am prone to, like, cutting my finger when slicing up food. Interesting. This box does provide interesting products such as this, but that might come in handy at some point in time. Let's see what this retails for. Okay, you can pick this up at Target and it retails for $14.99. All right, what else did we get? Okay, so we got from Lash an essential mini serum, Lash Like a Boss. They do a lot with Lash. I've done some of their VIP boxes and have received products from Lash in the past. I love a good lash serum. My eyelashes used to be sparse and stubby, and look at them now. Not this product per se, but just lash serums in general do work. You do need to apply them every day for 6 to 8 weeks, and you should notice a difference. All right, this is a travel size or deluxe sample. Let's see what they say this retails for. So this is a deluxe sample and it retails for $37, which sounds expensive, but the full size one is like $89, $100. They're pricey. So, yes. All right, next item. What is this? Such an interesting bottle. It's almost like the genie bottle or like something in a scientific laboratory. This is Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Color and heat protector. Oh, wow. This is very hair care heavy. It's from Naturelab. And yeah, I'm going to have to read what this is all about because, you know, me and hair products. It retails for $17 and you can get it at Ulta, and it says that when your hair is dry and broken, it can never get enough shine, and this light reflecting oil turned mist is rich with plant butters and oils. You're supposed to hold the product 6 to 10 inches away from the hair or spray into the palm of your hand and work it into your hair from the ends up. Part of me wants to try this, and the other part's going to say, I will never use this again. So I'm going to set this aside for a future giveaway. All right. Instructions for giveaway right above in the eye. Okay. Next item. What is this? We have from Repêchage, Beauty from the Sea, Hydra Medic. Whatever this is super bougie expensive because look how tiny this is. It retails for $27, and I presume this is like a travel size. What is it? It says, dealing with a pesky pimple, reach for this hard-hitting spot treatment which taps sulfur and beta-hydroxy acids for an overnight banishing act. Ooh. Okay, maybe that's why it's so tiny, because you just need a little tiny bit. Luckily, I don't get acne very often, but when I do, it's the painful, deep cyst, lasts for like 2-month type of acne. I will definitely keep this aside for the next time I get some maskne. All right, what is the last item here? Lots of small stuff this time. What are you? This is very heavy for how tiny it is. It's real glass. This is from Herbo or Herbo. Do you say herb or herb? I do a silent H. So I don't know if it's Herbo or Herbo. Oh, this is a perfume oil roll-on, and it retails for $12. And it contains rose and lavender. Ooh. Ooh. All right, 1 second. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. No, thank you. I'm not a fan of lavender, and you know how I feel about rose. So I will set this aside for a future giveaway. It's just not my jam. I know plenty of you love the scent of both lavender and rose. Okay, so let's recap what we got. We got a Tatcha red lipstick. We got some hair oil. We got some Scaraway patches. A hair mask. A lavender and rose roll-on scented oil. An acne treatment. Some Lash serum. And a quick dry hair towel. What are your thoughts? Not the best box, but 1,000 times better than last month's box. Very hair care heavy, which I know a lot of you would be digging on. What I do like about this box is I always discover brands I've never heard of, and they do have different and interesting products. So some may like that, some may not. It's great for discovery of brands and products. Sometimes they can get a little out there, a little weird. I don't need toothpaste in a beauty box. Like this Scaraway, we've gotten Scaraway gel before. These are patches, may come in handy. I'm so excited to see Tatcha. Not a fan of that color. That's just me, my skin tone, my hair color. I can't pull off red. This is a great product. I do have it from this box before. Acne product. Don't need it all the time, but glad to have it just in case. Don't like those scents. So for me, this was still a little meh, just because I think there's only 1 or 2 items I'll even use. But let me know your thoughts. What did you think of this box? Maybe it's time to consider getting rid of this subscription. I don't know. I'm still on the fence because sometimes they have spectacular tubes or boxes. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. See that guy down there? Looks like this. I would love for you to hit the like button. And I don't recall if I've already mentioned my 500 subscriber giveaway. All the details are in that video. All right. Thanks, everyone.